Tesla Roadster Trio found in shipping containers accumulates massive bids. The Tesla Roadster Trio found in shipping containers at a dock in China earlier this week has already started accumulating massive bids from buyers who are hoping to get their hands on at least one of the vehicles. Earlier this week, Gruber Motor Company said it had learned about the 3 original Roadsters, which have been sitting untouched in sea containers since 2010, accruing storage charges. In 2010, a buyer in China purchased 3 Tesla Roadsters. They were shipped and arrived, but they were abandoned by the buyer. Each of the 3 Roadsters likely has 0 miles, but there is no confirmation. We also do not know how many, if any, miles were on odometers from testing delivery of the new Roadsters, Gruber wrote. The condition of the vehicles is flawless, but there are questions as to whether the battery packs have any life left in them. After the 13 years they have sat stagnant in the shipping containers in China. If one of them makes it back to the United States, Gruber plans to do a full technical analysis to determine the status of the vehicle or vehicles. The current owner is selling all 3 of the Roadsters and prefers to sell them in a set, and massive bids are coming in for the vehicles just a few days after they went up for sale. As of writing, Gruber said they have received 6 bids for the vehicles, with the most recent coming yesterday at a value of $225,000 for all 3 vehicles. As of May 5, the most recent bid is $500,000. While this seems like a steal for 3 pieces of Tesla history, the vehicles are in a condition that is flawless in terms of appearance. However, their operational status is completely unknown due to their extensive sitting. The Roadster was Tesla's first vehicle and is a huge part of the company's story. The vehicle was in production and was essentially a fundraiser for future projects. But manufacturing was difficult and nearly bankrupt Tesla. Before it had the opportunity to move on to its next project, the Model S. Luckily, investors funneled more money into the company in 2008, and it led to where Tesla is today, the undisputed leader in EVs. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at Teslarati.